Hello, my YouTubers. And while we may not have a real, true fireplace for Christmas, I have my favorite electric fireplace here in New York in Glen Cove, as well as in Florida. Many of you have seen that. We'll show it again. But I love it for the ambiance. I love it at holiday time, springtime. We run it in the summer at night. We don't care. You can add heat if you want. Right now we have no heat on because the radiators are working and we don't need it. But I love the flame, and it has 5 different glows and different colors, and it's really reasonable. It's not terribly expensive. We just love it. Now let me go and show you a little bit closer what we've done for the holiday season in setting our mantle place together. Okay? Now, a lot of this is, nothing's new. Nothing. I don't do new for holidays because I've been collecting so long and so furiously that you can already see, guys, that is the very same tree with the vintage pot that I got. I think it was $1, and that is a tree from several years ago that Vinny put new lights on that we took from an old tree, so they're really not new. Okay, these are the silver cups that I bought at the thrift store. And I filled them with greenery. They don't match, doesn't matter. And there's the other one. I bought the pair of 2. Cost me maybe $3, if not less. But I love them. And there are the tea lights in the shot glass brandy glasses. Okay. There's the brass candle holder from the thrift store. The trees I've had for years. About 4 years now. Here's the other candlestick. It's taller, it's not matching, and that's okay. Nothing, I'm teaching myself. I don't know if you guys feel this way, but I'm teaching myself to break away from the matchy, super symmetry balance, and things have to be red on one side and red on the other side. It's hard for me because I like things in symmetry. I like things to match. Now, the acorns are acorns that we actually collected, me and Vinny, when we were walking in our first year here in Glen Cove. These were fallen from the tree just as pristine and beautiful as you see them. I know, they look store-bought. They surprise me, trust me. But they are hand collected, and that makes them so important to me and so much of a true little treasure. I adore them. We collected them together, and they'll be with me for as long as I'm alive. Now here, this is I'm not sure, guys. It could be a Hobby Lobby. It could be a Michael's, but I got it after Christmas effect. I showed you the mantle in the dining room where we didn't have a fireplace. I use it in both places. I have several in Florida. I'll do it again, and I'll show you more. But this has lights. Oh, I failed to even light it on. My bad. I hope the batteries are still in it. Let's see if they're still inside. There we go. Okay, look at that. Look at that, guys. See? From one end all the way around. See how pretty? And it wasn't expensive at all. But at night, I cannot tell you how, I don't know, to me, it's Christmas. It's adorable. It's enchanting. It's dramatic. It's soothing. It's really holiday spirit look. So there's a better glimpse of it. And it's kind of early evening here now. We just got home from being out, and I didn't want to wait later because we have other things happening, and I wanted you to see it as soon as I had it finished. So there it is, and we just love it. And here's the fireplace glowing on the bottom. I hope you take inspiration. I hope you like it. And if you are blessed enough to have a real fireplace, that's awesome. Can't wait to see so many of people putting their Christmas holiday mantles up. All right, guys, until the next video, I think I'm going to try to show you what little bit I can do, what little I have to create a coffee table from my thrifted items. But there it is. That's our mantle. One more close-up with the brass candlesticks. The cardinals I didn't mention, but I've had them for several years on different trips. This one in particular was when I went to see my granddaughter for the first time in North Carolina. Till this day, she's 13 years old. And that's that one. And this one, I don't remember exactly where, but pretty much as old as the other one. Okay, guys, happy holidays to you all. Enjoy.